Hello friends, today I brought before you 21 fascinating facts about Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. First, Dr. Ambedkar is popularly known as Father of Indian Constitution. He was the chairman of the first drafting committee which played an important role in the formation of the Constitution. Second, Dr. Ambedkar was the 14th and last child of his parents, so he was the youngest in his family. Third, Dr. Ambedkar's real surname was Ambedkar, but his teacher Mahad Satyagrahi gave him Ambedkar's surname in the school records, and therefore his name got changed to Ambedkar. Fourth, Dr. Ambedkar was the first Indian to get a doctorate Ph.D. degree in economics from abroad. Fifth, Dr. Ambedkar is the only Indian whose statue is attached to Karl Marx in the London Museum. Sixth, the credit of giving place of Ashok Chakra in the Indian tricolor flag also goes to Dr. Ambedkar. Although the national flag was designed by Pingali Venkaya, but the placement of the Ashok Chakra, the blue one, in the Indian flag goes to Dr. Ambedkar. Seventh, Nobel Prize winner Professor Amartya Sen considered Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as his father in economics. 8th, for the better development of Madhya Pradesh and Bihar, Dr. Ambedkar had proposed the division of these states in the 1950s, but only after 2000 Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand were formed by splitting Madhya Pradesh and Bihar. So Dr. Ambedkar was a visionary, and back in 1950s itself, Dr. Ambedkar thought of dividing these states. 9th, Dr. Ambedkar's personal library consisted of more than 50,000 books, and it was the world's largest private library. 10th, the book Waiting for a Visa, written by Dr. Ambedkar, is a textbook at Columbia University. Columbia University made a list of the world's top 100 scholars in 2004, and the first name on that list was Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. 11th, Dr. Ambedkar studied for a period of 21 years across the world and did masters in 64 subjects. Apart from that, he was the first Indian to have done a doctorate. It is said that he knew 9 languages. Next, Dr. Ambedkar was born in a Maharashtrian Hindu family belonging to a Mahar caste, and back then people considered that caste to be untouchables. Later, Dr. Ambedkar got himself converted to Buddhism in 1956. Next, Mahant Veer Chandramani, a great Buddhist monk who initiated Babasaheb to Buddhism, called him the modern Buddha of this age. Next, Babasaheb was the world's first and only Satyagrahi who did Satyagraha for drinking water, and that Satyagraha was famous as called as Mahad Satyagraha of 1927. The government of India has also introduced a stamp recognizing that Satyagraha. 15th, Dr. Ambedkar had considered 3 great men, Lord Buddha, Saint Kabir, and Mahatma Phule, as their instructor. 16th, Babasaheb was the first lawyer from the backward class. Next, Dr. Ambedkar played a key role in the establishment of the Reserve Bank of India back in 1935. Next, Dr. Ambedkar changed the working hours in India from 14 hours to 8 hours. Dr. Ambedkar also opposed to the Article 370 of the Indian Constitution. Next, Dr. Ambedkar fought for 3 years to get the Comprehensive Hindu Code Bill, which gave several important rights to women. And the last one is Dr. Ambedkar got conferred with Bharat Ratna in 1990 after his death. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.